we're back on the street.
Good afternoon guys, so it's 4:30, nakatulog kami ni Daddy, sobrang pagod. Punta tayong floating market.
Let's go to Pattaya Floating Market. Yay, we're back on the street.
Ganda na mag-walking dyan, no?
Pattaya.
Liwalas. Kanina sobrang init, yung sarap na ngayon lumabas. Ingat lang.
Ang relax. Medyo may lakas-lakas na ulit tayo magpasyal. Sarap ng hangin. Oh, ganda. That was really cool. Let's follow Google Maps. He said left, we're going left.
Make sure lang always on the left side.
Always go on the left side. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey. Go. Follow me. Hello, Pattaya. Dito daw. Saan na? Ay, ito sa kabila. Nag-overheat siguro.
For claiming Klook.
Here we are at the ticket booth at Pattaya Floating Market.
Claiming is until 5:30.
5:30 p.m. and the market is open until 7 p.m. Ticket entrance, boat coupon for 2. Na-claim na natin yung ating Klook.
And this one.
Yan. Ito ilalagay niyo sa inyong damit. Or saan niyo gusto, basta i-stick niyo sa katawan niya. Let's go now to floating market. This way is the entrance. This is the entrance. Dito kami ka. Entrance. Thank you. Entrance. Just follow the red line. Okay. Let's go.
Ito.
Ganda. Picture ka dyan. Picture ka. 1, 2, 3. Then we will fall in line. Okay. Bigyan nyo yung ticket doon. Tapos dito kayo magantay ng sasakyan. We will now ride the boat here at Pattaya Floating Market.
Looks nice.
We'll just wait for our turn.
A few moments later.
Yay, we're riding.
Masakay na tayo. Nakalimutan namin yung portable fund namin. Saka yung aming mga pamunas.
May crocodile kaya dito.
Bubble Thai. Sarap.
For only 45.
Ito yung sa akin. Bubble rice milk tea. Ang cute. Let's taste it. Tama lang timpla. Pero mas malasa yung sayo. Medyo lumalamig na. Mango sticky rice tayo. Paborito. Meron ding mango pandan sticky rice. Crocodile ribs. Mango sticky rice. Scorpion. Ayun to. Scorpion guys. Saan? Oo. Oo nga, ang galing. 300 baht.
Galing nyo.
Galing. Fish pa. Squid. Pihit. Bango. Thank you. Uy, nami mang. May drinks tayo. Hot. Good. Thank you. Slippers lang eh. Ang cute.
Uni! Ice cream. Taste it. Strawberry. Uni, I miss you.
Kinakain ka na ni Mami.
Uni, ang cute mo. Lasang strawberry, sarap. So, Daddy, ano muna kayo mo?
Squid butter. Fried squid butter.
Parang ang asim niya guys, so tingnan natin kung maasim.
Let's put some rice. Then taste this.
Tamis? Asim?
Tamis naman.
Ang tamis, tingnan nyo guys, so kulay green, pero ang tamis daw. Nag-doubt pa ako kanina.
Medyo hindi pa hinog yung mango nila, pero ano, namis na yung lasa. Tama na, bago ka mag-rice pit. Diba?
Sarap!
Parang hilaw pero hinog na.
Hi guys! Kakatapos lang namin mag-boat ride. Tapos ikot kami segment. Bali, simula dyan sa starting line ng boat, dadala tayo sa dulo para make it yung market. Tapos balik tayo dito sa exit.
Going home!
Balik na tayo. Kakatapos lang dito sa floating market ng Pattaya. 7 PM yung close nila. Sinara lang natin. We will now go back sa Markland Beach View. At tayo ay mag-walking sa beach. So let's go! Naliligaw tayo. Ewan ko ba tayo naliligaw dito? Meron kayang daan. Siguro nga naman. Oops, sorry. Woohoo! Good evening guys!
Papa-headbang yung daddy ko.
Oh yeah! Wow, liwanag. Ha? Dito lang ulit. Dito lang kami, pwede na dito.
At the seaside. Park muna tayo guys. So, water park. So, yan. How much melon? Kabkan ka, thank you, salamat.
Hello! Pattaya
Sawadee
Beach.
ka. Boracay. Daddy. By the beach.
Hi guys!
Taste test tayo. The melon, the pancake, and the mango sticky rice again. Again.
Banana.
And the egg. This
And
one is yours.
egg.
This is mine. Yes, taste test.
Hot. Delicious.
Egg with condensed. So hot.
Hot. What can you say? So hot. It's freshly baked. Bye bye. See you later. Thank you. Baka ibang ano yun. This will be the end of part 3. On part 4, we will tour you around the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary Pattaya. Experience the feeding and bathing of elephant. Thank you for your support. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to get updated on our new vlog upload. Thank you for watching. See you on our next vlog.